If you're someone who enjoys the road trip between the greenery-filled roads of the Sahyadri Hills and taking pit stops at the beautiful waterfalls, then this location is for you. Bhandardara, Mumbai Escape. Just around 4 hours drive from Mumbai, this is one of the best family road trip and camping locations for the weekend escape. Distance and road conditions. From Mumbai, take a highway towards Thane, then continue via Bhiwandi bypass, connecting to Itapuri and then towards Bhandardara. From Pune, travel time is usually around 5 hours depending on the route and traffic. Most of the highway stretch is smooth. The final section towards Bhandardara becomes narrow, slower and are partially paved. Night driving on the final stretch is not at all recommended due to poor lighting, narrow roads and blind pins. Best time for camping. Best time for self-camping in Bhandardara is from September to March, post-monsoon to winter, which gives a pleasant weather, greener landscapes and comfortable camping conditions. See, monsoon, which is from June to September, looks stunning, but heavy rains, mud and slower roads can make camping or road trips extremely difficult. One special seasonal attraction here is the firefly season, usually from late May to early June. But due to growing tourist crowds, many locals say the experience is not what it once was. Camping situations at Bhandardara. Bhandardara is one of the best locations to go camping. But the issue is many beautiful spots in Bhandardara is a private property or a village property. So the trick of going camping in Bhandardara, as per our one-stop community, is set up your camping around the lakeside, Arthur Lake or dam belt or the backwaters. But before setting up anywhere, they always check with the locals and nearby landowners first. And since this is the best location for camping, there are also many organized camping ventures which are running really good. If you want safety, toilets and easy overnight comfort, then the smart option is to book a regular tent stay and request a nearby car camping space. That way you get facilities while still enjoying your own setup. While camping anywhere in India, this is what our camping community follows. We believe in being respectful guests. We keep our camps low-key, avoid loud music, respect local villages, farms, old temples and nature zones. And we always support locals whenever possible, like buying tea, snacks or essentials from the nearby shop where we are camping. Now, as I told you, Bhandardara is a beautiful location for camping and there are many established campsites here. But if you still end up going self-camping, the amenities are basic outside established camps. There are no toilets unless you stay in a campsite or a homestay. Food options include small tea stalls, local eateries and village meal spots. Fuel up before reaching Ghoti or larger towns because once you enter the final stretch near the lake or the dam, there are no fuel stations. The mobile network can be patchy in valleys and lakeside zones. Weather can turn windy and cooler at night, especially during winters. Carry drinking water, snacks, torch, power bank and cash. And finally, let's talk about which vehicles feel more comfortable here. This place is perfect for families, couples and weekend road trips. The main route is generally manageable by regular cars in dry weather. But during winter, high ground clearance vehicles like SUV, 4x4 or a small camper can be comfortable. But when it comes to small campers, the access to many of the areas, it might get difficult. To get the exact camping spots or map coordinates, comment Bhandardara below.